Hey guys, Rigo here with Email Processing System. So let's get into it. What I wanted to talk about in this video is domain name. Not necessarily what a domain name is. It's very simple what it is. It's basically like a website, the name of a website. You know, that's pretty much what a domain name is. So that's not complicated, right? But why do you need a domain name? It's not necessary, like 100% absolutely necessary to have a domain name to be a part of EPS. It's highly recommended, but you know, just because you don't have one doesn't mean you can't join EPS. Of course, you can be a part of EPS. The thing is, there's a few reasons that domain names are highly recommended. One is to be just so your link, your sales page that you're going to be sending to possible leads, to possible prospects that are possibly wanting to join your business. So your link just looks more professional. Your website looks more professional because, as you guys probably know, when you join EPS, you're either going to receive a free website by me, you're going to create your own, or you're going to buy one for a one-time fee. One-time cheap fee, it's like $10 or $13, something like that. But yeah, so you're gonna receive it, and that is where you're going to receive payments through your PayPal, you know, or through whatever payment processor you use. But the most popular one is PayPal. That's the one pretty much everyone knows. But yeah, so you're going to receive payments through that website. The thing is, it's not going to be a domain as nice looking as this one. Just, you know, a simple phrase. It's not going to look like this. It's going to be kind of more of a funky link. So this is actually a domain name that I own. I own a few different domain names for like my sales pages, capture pages, sales funnel, all that stuff. So this is mine, right? I own this. And I just bought it because it's going to be more professional, you know. At least that's one of the main reasons. It's much more professional, you know. If I send this to someone, you know, I don't have to kind of be, I don't know, be like, you know, if people are contacting you and they don't know you, they don't know your brand, you're just sending them this link, and if it looks like sketchy, if it looks funky, they might think it's like maybe a virus or something, or like that you're trying to, I don't know, people are so worried about getting scammed online these days. They might think that you're not legitimate and you're trying to scam them or steal their information or something. You know, you never know. So when you send them a professional looking domain like that, it's gonna, you know, it's gonna inspire more confidence in them, and they're gonna think, you know, okay, well, yeah, this looks cool. Let's see what this is all about. If they see a link that looks kind of sketchy looking, they might not click on it at all, and you know, you miss that lead. So that's one of the main reasons. Another very important reason is that Facebook blocks, you know, when let's say if you're creating you're gonna receive a website from Wix. Well, there's a ton of people that use Wix, and they use the free websites, right? Because Wix is free. So the thing about that is everyone has already sent links, Wix links, like subdomains with Wix, through Facebook messages. So that means that, you know, Facebook already knows what those links look like, and they'll probably block them. They might let you use them for a little bit, for a few times, like through your messages, through your messages or through your posts. They might let you use them a few times, but eventually they're gonna be blocked. So you can't. Then you're gonna be, because I see, and I'm mentioning this because I see a lot of people in our group that don't have domain names. They you know, they start saying, oh well, you know, what's happening? The Facebook is blocking my link. It's not letting me send my sales page to people, my website to people. So how can I, you know, how can I do this if I can't send them my link? You know, and you know, of course they have a point. The thing is, it's highly recommended to buy your own domain name for that very reason, you know, so you can send your link through Facebook messages or through a post, or you know, whatever you want to do. So it's very important. The thing to go around that is you can just email people. So let's say if someone's interested in seeing what your program is all about, what the company you're with, you know, whatever it may be. If you can't send the link through Facebook messages or a post or anything, you can just go ahead and email them. So that's one way to get around it, you know, just email them. But like I mentioned, if you just want to be able to message, to go through posts, there's just, more stuff you can do if you have a domain name. So that's pretty much the two of the biggest reasons why it is highly recommended to have a domain name. It's just they're not expensive. They're like 10, 11, 12 bucks for like a whole year. Sometimes they're even cheaper than that if there's like specials going on and stuff. But usually I buy mine for anywhere for around 10 bucks for a year. So, not very expensive. It's actually not expensive at all. So if you don't have because I see a lot of people, they say they don't have money. If you don't have $10 for your domain name and $10 to purchase a website so you can receive, potentially make a lot of sales. If you don't have 20 bucks to spare, like one-time $20 payment so you can start a business online, then you probably have no business you have no business starting a business online. That means you have much bigger problems, and you should probably, that most of the time that just means you don't have a job. So first of all, before starting an online business, you should have a day job so you can invest some of that money into an online business and, make things happen and grow your business. So if you don't have, 20 bucks to spend for necessities in your business or things that can really help you out, resources, tools, then yeah, I suggest you go get a job, and so you can have money to afford those resources you're going to need, those tools that are going to be very necessary and that are very necessary for you to be successful. So just some friendly advice there. That's just kind of the reality of it. There's no going around that. You need tools to be successful online, and if you don't have them, well, then you probably got bigger problems, and you should at least, have a job so you can invest some money into it. That's how I see, all the big successful marketers, they do it because they had a day job that they were working, and then in the spare time they built up their business, and then, at one point you become free from your day job and you can just, solely just focus on your business. So that's how, most of the big marketers I've seen do it, because, these things take time. I'm sure someone makes $1,000 one month and they're not going to want to quit their job. You want to make sure you save up some money, and you want to make sure you're producing a good amount of money so you can, just quit your job. You're not going to quit your job after 1 month of doing okay online. You got to be able to know that you built a business and that this business is producing a lot of money for you and your family, because that's a big risk. Sorry guys, my mouth is a little dry. Because that's a big risk you're taking by quitting your job. So you got to make sure you can afford to take that big risk. So yeah guys, that's why a domain name is highly recommended. Like I mentioned, it's a lot more professional looking, and your link with the website you're going to be given is probably going to get blocked by Facebook pretty fast. So you're going to need something else that you can send through Facebook that isn't going to get blocked. So those are two of the biggest reasons that I've seen online, that I've seen in online marketing world. And that is pretty much it. If you guys don't know what EPS is, or you guys want more information, at the end of the video a playlist will pop up, and with somewhere up here with a bunch of videos about email processing system, and I explain in there what it is, and you can just watch a bunch of videos. I always offer as much value as I can, as much value as I can to people watching my videos. And you guys can, if you guys have any questions, you guys can, I'll leave my Facebook link down here. If you guys want to join EPS, I'll leave a link down there as well. You guys can email me at my email down there, somewhere down here. And that is pretty much it, guys. So thanks a lot for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.